water massage soap too. Unwind, give myself a spa-like experience at home. It is so gentle, relaxes my muscles, reduces inflammation, moisturizes, refreshes, and nourishes my skin. The all-natural ingredient for 36 grams of food grade sodium hydroxide into 80 grams distilled water and set aside. Melt 86 grams cocoa butter, 80 grams coconut oil, 110 grams olive oil on a double boiler. Let it cool, then pour lye solution into the oils. Use immersion blender to slowly blend. Add lilac mica powder as desired. Blend again and pour in silicone mold. Experience the soft, smooth skin that comes with using cocoa butter. Plus, its exotic chocolate aroma will take you to another